In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Entonal Studio in Ableton Live so you can retune Ableton built-in instruments as well as plugins. Let's get into it. So here we have got an empty Ableton set, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to my plugins and the VST folder. It's got to be VST, not VST3, and I'm going to find Entonal Studio MIDI effect, and I'm going to drag that to channel 1. So there's my instance of Entonal Studio ready to go. Yeah, so I can see play keys, and it's not doing anything yet because we haven't got a synth hooked up yet. So let's go to channel 2, and I'm going to choose one of the built-in Ableton instruments. So I'm going for wavetable and water plug. So drag that in. Now I'm going to just open that up. Double click on the wavetable bit. There we go. So we can see that we've got the correct pitch bend setting. So it's 48. That's what we want. That matches up with 48 here. You usually don't have to check that, but some synths might not default to the 48, in which case you need to adjust it here. So let's just check that. And now we're going to hook things up. We go here, we take the MIDI from Entonal Studio MIDI effect. And then we also select Entonal Studio MIDI effect in the channel section. And we hit monitor in. And now we play from the channel that Entonal Studio is on. This is also where you'd record clips and stuff. So then the channel with the instrument on is just the receiving channel. So let's try now. Okay, so that sounds like it's being retuned. Let's try some different tunings. Okay, so now we can retune. And just while I'm here showing you, another really useful feature of Entonal Studio is the grouping. So I set this to group A, and then I select tuning, and now I'm going to duplicate these tracks. Okay, and so now we've got 2 instances of Entonal Studio and 2 instances of the wavetable, and I'm going to change this water plug to a pad. Let's say far too long trying to find a pad. Sure, I found one called Warm Pad the other day. I'll go with that one for now. Simple. Okay, so going to drag that in there. Okay, so now we've got these 2 instances, and yeah, whatever we do in one is reflected in the other. I just love this feature. Boom, boom, boom. You can just so it means you can record a clip here and here, and then you can just try it different. You can set this up for as many instruments as you like, and play with different tunings. So let's just do that for fun. Set up the metronome, record something in. Okay, slightly random sequence there. Let's loop that. Let's record a pad. Yep, so okay, slightly random sequence there. Okay, let's go, let's move those. Boom, boom, and boom. of a random way to compose, but still fun, you know, especially if you've got arpeggiators and things like that. Anyway, so there you go. You can have fun now retuning anything you want in Ableton Live with feedback and visualization. So you've got the lattice, like that. You can see whoa. Let's go to one that's not so crazy. Have fun with that. Thanks. Till next time.